How to fix Snapchat photos and videos not saving to the camera roll. So if you're trying to save your Snapchat photos and videos to your gallery but it's not working, then here's a real guide of how you can fix the problem. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Also, now to fix the problem, the very first settings that you need to check out is just go ahead and open up the Snapchat from your device, and from the Snapchat homepage, tap on this profile icon at the top left. Now once you're here inside your Snapchat profile, go and tap on the settings option at the top right. Now inside the settings, inside the My Account, you just need to scroll down a little bit from here and you'll get to see the option Memories. You just need to tap on the Memories, and inside this one you'll get to see the Save button. You just need to go and tap on these and you'll get to see it's currently selected with the memories. That's your photos and videos is not saving to your camera roll, it's only saving to your memory. So if you want to save your photos and videos, memories and camera roll, you just need to select the second option, or if you want to only save to your camera roll, then you can select the third option. So I'm going to select the second option. Second option is most preferable for you, so you can select that, and from now whenever you capture any photos or videos from the Snapchat and you save it, this will be directly saved to your camera roll. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.